Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to incorporate Moringa powder into your daily routine. Moringa powder, derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, is a true nutritional powerhouse. It's brimming with essential vitamins, vital minerals, powerful antioxidants, and all 9 essential amino acids. Adding this incredible superfood to your diet is a simple step towards enhancing your overall well-being and boosting your natural energy levels. There are many simple and delicious ways to enjoy Moringa powder. A popular method is to blend 1 to 2 teaspoons into your favorite morning smoothie or juice, giving you a fantastic nutrient boost to start your day. You can also easily stir a small amount into yogurt, oatmeal, or sprinkle it over salads and soups. For a comforting option, prepare a warm Moringa tea by steeping the powder in hot water, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey. When starting with Moringa powder, it's best to begin with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. A common and safe daily intake typically ranges from 1 to 2 teaspoons, which is approximately 2 to 5 grams. Always remember to listen to your body's signals. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. To truly maximize the benefits of Moringa powder, consistency is absolutely key. Make it a regular part of your daily routine for the best results. Consider pairing Moringa with foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges or berries, as this can significantly enhance the absorption of its beneficial nutrients. Finally, always store your Moringa powder in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency and ensure it stays fresh for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.